All right, guys, I'm back. So now, since we got the bed somewhat taken care of, we're gonna go ahead and just do a rinse and you know, just a little basic wash. Not trying to clean it, but just, you know, get some of the dirt and grime off. This way we can kind of see what we're working with, and set y'all up while I do that, and then I come back to you. All right, let's go. right, so y'all can see we just did a, you know, a little, like I said, a little basic wash on it, and yeah, ain't that much better, but it's got a lot of clear coat peeling. But yeah, other than that, that's basically about it. Like I said, some of this stuff I go back over, but I just want to kind of do like an overall so we can kind of, you know, see what we got going on. But yeah, that's about it. Like on the other side, and then like I said, in the next one, then we'll go over the inside and see what that's looking like. But yeah, that's basically about it. We still probably have to go over a couple of times, and then the engine bay get, you know, degrease a lot of that old dirt and grime that's, you know, been built up for a while. But yeah, it's a start to get where we want to. So, but yeah, that'll be about all for this video here. So like I said, we'll go back over it a couple more times and trying to, you know, kind of get it to where we actually want it, be satisfied with it. But you know, it's a process, we're gonna get there. So let you guys go. Appreciate you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Until the next one, we out.